So basically this is a 400 kilometre old or 400 kilometre young Land Cruiser 200 series, a new model with the DPFs. This hose on top here is bringing the fumes in, that's why you can see the fumes. So let's not get it wrong, when you can see all those fumes with the lid off, that's for a reason, because the fumes come in and they go down through the middle of the filter and they permeate through the filter. Obviously this is brand new. Oily particles drop right down to the bottom, and about halfway down to the bottom the gases continue through, and obviously the stuck in the filter is all the oil and it traps down the bottom, which is great. But here we go, brand new vehicle, probably running obviously a very, very thin oil. That's a cool day today. Have a look at the weather. It's raining, it's overcast, and we've got already a lot of fumes here. So God knows what the oil is they're using from the factory, but I'm sure it's something like a 5W30 or a 0W30, way too thin. Put the lid back on again. Let's go around and just have a look. Yeah, 418 kilometres. So at the end of the day, all vehicles do have fumes, but I do question also the type of oil being used and recommended just being way too thin. And the more we fit catch hands, the more we see that change when they've got an oil more relevant to the weather, like a 1040 or even a 1540, probably when they're up in Queensland, even a 50 weight oil, because it's hot up there. People are saying that they're getting a lot less oils in their catch can and everything seems to be running better. There's a lot of debate on oil, and the oil industry certainly is not helping, but one thing for sure, at least with the catch can, it catches the blow-by oils. We can't say about what's going past the rings, that'd have to happen too, but at least with the catch can, you keep the oil out of that inlet tract and keep it nice and dry so the EGRs don't stick. So yeah, there's just an example of the fumes of a quite young new 200 series. So for more information about anything technical to do with catch cans or EGR, just go to our website at berrimadiesel.com.